All right, here we go. Better. Ava's alphabet book.
Ava's alphabet. A is for apple.
Mm-hmm.
B is for soccer ball.
For ball. Lots of different balls.
Also, and C is for rocket.
Comet.
Comet. And D is for dinosaur.
That's right.
F is for
What's that letter?
F. I mean E.
Mm-hmm.
E is for
What planet do we live on?
Earth.
Yep.
E is for envelope.
Good job.
Where's it?
I don't know. Did you take it out?
I think it's somewhere.
You'll have to write a new one.
I think I'll get it. I think I'll find it. And F is for fish.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a rainbow fish. And there's not a rainbow fish. And G is for glitter.
Mm-hmm.
Sparkly glitter. H is for house and horsey.
Is there a horse too? Oh yeah. Okay, what's Emma?
I is for iguana.
Good job, baby.
J is for jelly beans.
That is right.
K is for kite.
Mm-hmm.
L is for lollipop.
Yes, it is.
And M is for moon, half the moon, almost whole, and a whole moon.
Oh, you did the phases of the moon. Good job.
N is for bird nest, and there's the bird.
Okay.
And O is for octopus, and there's the eyes.
Mm-hmm.
P is for pig. And there's his tail. And Q is for glue sticks.
Q-tips.
Q-tips for ears.
Yeah.
R is for rocket ship.
Yep.
And C is stars.
Oh, yeah.
S is for snowflake. Do you see them?
I do see them. Did you draw that word, snowflake?
Yep.
Very good.
That's what I'll do. And T is for tree.
Tree. Tree.
And there's the tree.
Tree. Can you say it with me?
Tree.
Tree.
And Q is for umbrella.
U. U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella. And V is for vase.
Yep.
Flower vase. W is for watch.
Mm-hmm.
Do you only read Sours with her?
Yes.
And read this again.
No. Maybe tomorrow night.
X is for X-ray.
Mm-hmm.
S
Is that an S?
Y. Y is for sun.
Yellow.
Yellow. And
You guys really are twins.
V for zebra.
Excellent. Do you know your ABCs now?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yes,
Mom,
I will.
Can you take a video?
I did. Good night.
Where's the video?
I'm taking it right now. Can you say good night?
Good night.
I love you. I love you more.
I want to sing the ABCs again.